Hello everyone, I am Pratiksha Talsania from the SS Divine and welcome to the SS Divine lecture session. I am taking your maths and thus we will begin with the maths session. And our first chapter is what is long and what is round. Before starting this, I hope you are enjoyed your long vacation and we should normal with this new normal situation. So I know that you're gonna miss your school, your teachers, your friends, and your study. I know that, but now don't worry, we are available for you. So let's begin with the chapter number 1, and our chapter number 1 is what is long and what is round. Now long का मतलब क्या होता है? Long का मतलब होता है लंबा. लंब का मतलब क्या होता है? लंबा. We have already learned this word in the first standard as well as in senior KG. लॉन्ग का मतलब क्या होता है? लंबा. और राउंड का मतलब क्या होता है? गोल गोल, like a circle, right? So that's the meaning, basic meaning of these two words. What is long? Long मतलब लंबा, and what is round? Round मतलब गोल गोल. Now we'll move to the spelling of these two keywords. LONG long, long मतलब लंबा. ROUND round, round मतलब गोल. Now based on this two concept, there is one story which is given in your textbook. Those who are having this textbook, they will open the page number 1, and those who are not having textbook, they will please concentrate here. Here is a story about Uncle Miku and children. Uncle Miku loves children and children loves Uncle Miku very well. So he plays with them every day. Today he has kept different things in his bag and the game is guess its name. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है स्टोरी में कि अंकल मीकू अपना एक बैग कैरी करे हुए हैं, राइट? एंड ही पुट सम थिंग्स इनसाइड द बैग एंड he will the children will shut their eyes with a cloth and he will take one thing from the bag. He will identify and describe that things to the other children and children will guess the name of the things. I think this is the game and the name of the game is guess its name. There are some dialogues between the Uncle Miku and the children. Here, can you see that Uncle Miku is sitting here and one girl is trying to shut his eyes with the cloth. So here Uncle Miku and here is a bag. In his bag he put so many things and Uncle Miku say, guess what I have in my bag? I will tell you what is feels like. वो उसको टच करेंगे, उनको फील करेंगे और फिर वो चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. And children will identify. Okay, now Uncle Miku put his hand in the bag. Now team A sing a song. ये टीम है बच्चों की पूरी, वो गाना गा रही है. These are the two teams, team A and team B. Uncle Miku is sitting here with shutting his eyes and he put his hand inside the bag and take out any one thing and describe that things to team A. Now team A is singing a song. What is the song? Find out with your eyes shut well. Touch it with your hands and tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. हम उसको guess करेंगे और game को जीत जाएंगे. Now Uncle Miku is described the dialogue of the Uncle Miku in which he describes the pencil. Now what is it? Pointed at one end, flat at others, but round like a pipe. Guess what it is? वो अंकल मीकू बता रहे हैं कि एक चीज है which is pointed at one end and flat at others and round like a pipe. So which thing is that? Yes, that's the pencil. Pencil. And there is another thing you can also describe that way. That's the pen. Pen is pointed at one side, flat at others and rounded like pie all the side. So it's a pen. There is another question. The team A said pencil. And do you also think so? Yes, I think pencil is that thing. Now you think of the different answer for the Uncle Miku's questions. As I told you, as I described, the pen is the other thing. So on, the game is going on with the team B. Now the child from the team B will come with his shut eyes, and he will take something from the bag and he will describe to his team member, and team member will identify that things, and game goes on these things. Okay, based on this concept, there will be one exercise on the board. We will do it. The exercise is put take for the round object and cross for the long object. Long का मतलब होता है लंबा, जो भी लंबे ऑब्जेक्ट है उस पे हम क्रॉस करेंगे, एंड वी पुट अ टिक नियर बाय द राउंड ऑब्जेक्ट, जो गोल गोल ऑब्जेक्ट है उसके आगे हम टिक करेंगे. Here we'll begin with this. Our first picture is of tomato. Now can you see that the tomato is a long object or a round object? Here is a round object. So for the round object we will do the tick. Okay, second number is a tube light. Tube light is a long object or round object? Tube light is a long object. For the long object we will do the cross. Okay, third number is the spoon. Can you identify that the spoon is a long object or a short object? I think spoon is a long object. For long object, you have to do the cross. Here is a football. Football is a round object. That's why we are putting here tick. Number 5 is a broom. Broom मतलब झाड़ू, जब हम कचरा निकालते हैं ना घर पे, वो. So, broom is a long object or round object? It's a long object, so we will put it cross over here. Here is a button. So, button is a round object or long object? It's a round object. So, for the round object, we will put it here. Tick. Letter is a long object, and each one point is a round object. So, we will put it here. Tick. Based on that, I will give you some more practical examples which are very relevant. What is this? This is a fruit. Fruit is a round. So, it's a round object. Now, what is this? This is a scale. Scale is a long. So, we can say that it's a long object. This is a lemon. Lemon is a round object. This is a comb. Can you identify that? Which is this? Long object or round object? It's a long object. There are some exercise which is given in one book, and you will identify this. What is this? It's a CD. CD is a round object. This is a pant. Pant is a long object. What is this? This is a eraser. Eraser is it's a round. This jar is also a round. This duster is also a long object. Okay. So